Hi, this is Bianca. If you want to enter profitable trades quickly and work dynamically instead of sitting for 2 hours on a single trade, this video is definitely for you. Today, I'll show you how to trade on a short time frame using a simple, clear logic, no guessing. I'm only using 2 indicators and 1-minute trades. That's enough if you understand where the movement actually begins to change strength. Let's go! If you're tired of entering the market blindly and want to understand how to do it confidently, just go to my Telegram. There you can connect to my account, see every trade in real time, and copy my trades automatically without mistakes. Everything is free and fully under your control. Every day I share trading situations and approaches that you won't find in open sources.
Now I make like $500 every single day.
My balance is rising each day.
Slots are limited, so it's better to join today. The link is in the description. Message me and I'll add you. First, I'll set up the platform to make the chart easier to read. Chart type, candlestick, time frame 1 minute. Today, I'll use 2 indicators, parabolic, which shows when a trend ends and a new one begins, and Williams, which shows how to close the current price, which shows how close the current price is to the maximum or minimum of a selected period. Now I will adjust each more precisely. Parabolic, acceleration set to 0.025. This is the reaction speed of the dots. The higher the value, the faster the indicator reacts. Maximum acceleration 0.25, the sensitivity limit, helping avoid false signals. For style, I'll make the dot orange. This way, parabolic SAR helps see visually the direction and possible entry/exit points. Especially convenient for trend trading. Now Williams, period set to 20, used for smooth and accurate analysis. The line itself will be orange and I'll make the channel borders bolder. With these settings, the indicator helps show the current impulse is exhausted and when it's time to prepare for a reversal. Together, both indicators allow entering at the start of a new impulse, avoiding false signals and trading only when the movement truly changes strength. Let's begin. For the first trade, I'm entering a down position for $90, trade duration 1 minute. In my view, the drop here is already obvious. Watch why. The price just made a strong push upward, a confident series of green candlesticks. All parabolic SAR dots were under the price, normal for growth. But now they've shifted above the price. The last candle updated the high and formed a peak, but the next one is already red, closing noticeably lower. There's also an upper wick. They tried pushing up the price again, but sellers pushed it down. A clear sign buyers are losing control. Whenever parabolic squeezes the price like this, it usually means the upward move has long strength and the reversal has begun. Williams was in the overbought zone the whole time, and the line is dipping downward, leaving that zone. This very often happens before correction. The market is overheated, but buyers can't maintain the same pace. Altogether, the probability of a downward move is high. Waiting for the trade to close, and my balance goes up by a positive of $172. Great. Continuing the session again, opening a down position for $173 looks like a strong entry point. Watch this. Price rose strongly from the bottom, moving in a confident series of green candles, but at the top, the movement suddenly weakened. Parabolic SAR jumped above the price, while the dots were below, the growth held. But as soon as they appeared above the indicator, it's basically saying, growth is over, now down. Williams climbed into overbought and is now turning downward, showing buyers are exhausted. Candles confirm it. Green ones are shrinking, upper wicks appear, and the red candle is forming, confirming seller's entry. This is a classic setup for a downward pullback. Now we wait for the close, and it's a positive of $304 to the balance. Perfect. If you've tried different methods but still got losses, don't keep repeating the same mistakes. In my Telegram, you can watch my live trades and connect direct copy trading from my account. It's safe. I don't charge anything and I don't control your balance. Every day I give working setups and strategic ideas that help you grow faster. Slots are limited and I'll be closing entry very soon. The link is in the description. Message me and I'll add you. I'm continuing and I've already found an excellent entry point. Opening an up position for $304. Look, while price was falling, parabolic SAR dots were above. Now a dot appeared below the candles. This means the drop is over and an upward move is starting. Green candles appear, each closing higher than the previous one. And there are lower wicks. The price is being brought up. Williams was in the oversold and is now returning upward. So the market stopped sinking and is beginning to rebound. Everything aligns. Parabolic under the price. Williams leaving oversold. Candles showing recovery. The up entry is completely logical. Waiting for the close. And a positive of $583 to the balance. Excellent. The next trade is no less interesting. I'm expecting growth, so I open an up position for $584. The price had been falling for a long time. Red candles one after another. Parabolic SAR dots stayed above the whole decline, but near the end where they almost touched the candles and shifted below. This usually means sellers lost strength and the downtrend stopped. The candles show it too. Red ones got smaller, lower wicks appear, and a green candle formed. The price is being bought up. Williams was in a dip oversold and is now turning upward. A clear signal of an emerging rebound. Where parabolic shifts like this, Williams exits oversold and candles show a reversal. The market has turned upward, so an uptrade here is fully justified. Waiting, and it brings me a positive of $1,121. Great. Found another great entry. Opening an up trade for $1,121. Watch. After a rise, price fell for quite a while and parabolic SAR stayed above it. But at the bottom, the move started to weaken and the dots shifted under the candles. That's the moment the sellers ran out of strength and the direction switched to upward. Now Williams. It was in a deep oversold and is now turning upward. A classic signal that the market is ready for a rebound. Buyers appear exactly in such zones. Both indicators clearly confirm the correctness of the entry. Waiting for the close, and I get a positive of $2,152. Perfect. Now you've seen for yourself that you don't have to sit for hours at the chart to make quick, profitable trades. You just need to read the short time frame correctly and understand the logic of the market movement. If you want to break down such situations in detail and see my daily analysis, go to Telegram. There I show everything in real time.